I just got these audio cables in. I need them for another video I'm shooting of a carving amp. And they go to XLR to quarter-inch male, and the other end's is female. And they look pretty well made. You can barely see the solder joint in there. The soldering looks good. I gotta get it back in there. There we go. This end is a shrink wrap, probably. Yep. Shrink wrap. I'd plug them in and let you hear them, but you're not going to hear a difference in sound quality over a video. I'm just going to test them for continuity. And it's good all the way around. And they look pretty, like, I don't know if the insulation is just thick or the actual copper wires nice and thick. It didn't really say on the description, but I just needed them to test out an amp. I'd recommend them for the price. I think it was $8.50 a cable from Seismic Audio.